Climate change, a change in global or regional climate patterns, in particular a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels.
Global warming is one measure of climate change. As a result, today's atmosphere contains 42% more carbon than it did in the industrial era. Global warming has already begun. The global average temperature has risen 0.7 degrees Celsius. The heat is melting glaciers and is causing danger to some of the animals. The heat is shifting precipitation patterns, and the planet is already having trouble with global warming. Ice is melting and making a big impact.
Climate change affects our world in a lot of ways. Like the forests are going to die, so the bears and all the other animals in the forest won't have a shelter. Also a big thing are the glaciers. The glacier can affect us in two ways. One of the ways it affects the water levels are rising because the glaciers are melting and the melted ice turns into water that goes into the ocean and then it rises. The second reason is that the polar bears and all the animals that live on glaciers are dying because either it's too hot for them to live or they don't have anywhere to live because their homes are melting away. It's really dangerous to this world because we only have a certain amount of those animals left, and when they're gone forever.